Please, let us have order in the house. So now, at this time, it's good that people, you've talked exhaustively on issues.
People are talking about other things. Mr. Speaker, I want to tell you exactly why this problem is coming now. During Amir's time, I was told they took over the management of the taxi park. And during that time, when the taxi park was taken over by council, people were put on payroll of the taxi park. So and so on a daily basis was getting money from that park. People still has the dream that what happened during Amir's time is exactly what has happened during Banya's time. Forget. Everybody who will rise and issue about the park will say, where are you putting me? You are eating alone. Where do I eat also? Where do I benefit? Ask them individually. They have all those comments. It's not that we have a heart for this council, but we have a heart to grab this council, to rob it up to the last feet. Everybody here is only looking for positioning themselves where they can benefit from that park. In the taxi park, we have said everybody who is a driver, who is an operator, who is a vehicle owner, register yourselves. On Thursday this week, we are having a meeting with all of them. Our job is to disseminate the policy guideline. After disseminating, we want to allow them to do whatever they want. But what is important is to guide them that whatever they come up with is according to the law, so that they don't form cooperatives, which tomorrow we say, you missed this, we missed that, and then we come to evaluation, we say we are knocked out because we missed this. We want to give them the nitty-gritties of all that is required in the policy. After giving them the nitty-gritties in the policy, and then they can go ahead and what? And reform.
The interests we have are not personal. We are mandated by society that elected us. So when we come in, we are not coming in as individuals. So I think, Mr. Banya, that was by slip of tongue.
Before, when the tenderer was in the park, let me give an example of the park, we were realizing 31 million per month, meaning the tenderer was having costs, was paying taxes, and was making profit after paying the 30 million per month. So my interest here comes in. If us as municipality, we are collecting this revenue, shouldn't we have like 50 million as our revenue coming into the municipality? Because the tenderer was paying the municipality 31 million per month, making profit, paying taxes, and having costs. So I think here, my interest here comes in is, my interest is the municipality to get more revenues so that we work on our basics.
Kansone kyabanja batenda labali emilioni 10 zinga nuwe wenyina tero no mukono gwe naga please do the needful ha milioni 10 zinga akabana agamba please do the needful akabana kibaza ainaki kati bwire buno kwemera omuntu ebe yawe nkatawunikira akano ekitini saro hawo kumwolekeza kimungu abakasala bakwe mu municipality they are corrupt kandi basuma kandi tulomaiso ga speaker abantu bona batukomera bali hano bingi omuntu takusobola kuteeka metinisa resolution ya ministers basatu omuntu kuba minister iki twayikayo kwenda kukolejja omuntu okuketo taito omulingo bugena ne butu
kubasaba yakatandika chapter empyaka ya cooperation kandi leka buli muntu akole ekyali supposed kukora nanyati mukawulaganyize hano nimpa naka directives nti deputy prime minister ndagire nako nagende onabingwe nga ebintu bikiri so are ebiragiro are set up nanyo muli bantu abali reasonable. You can discuss these issues and sort them out friendly. Nacho abantu abandi tuleme kusabaga ebintu bitaterekerire kwa bit of tricks, lies, ebina bitabura nojja usanga omuntu mukuru n'omugamba ekisuba nogenda omugamba nakunobireta kugonza kandi tukamunobaga tukalolangana
asidi birumira akatamu